household maintenance things that you should be doing, but probably aren't. Hey there, I'm Abby. Welcome to the FAQ Factory, where we research all kinds of information and bring it to you. Today we're talking cleaning and house maintenance, and the 5 things that you should be doing, but probably aren't. Number 1, cleaning out the filter in your dishwasher. Okay, we'll admit it. This is the one that prompted this particular video. And while we won't say exactly how long it took for us to realize that dishwashers have filters that you can't really see and that need to be removed and cleaned, we will say that it was way longer than it should have been. By like a lot. However, upon telling other people about this filthy filter, we found they didn't know about it either. And then they were also shocked by the amount of grossness that they found when they finally cleaned it. So this friendly PSA is to let you know about this often forgotten about cleaning task and a few other maintenance items that might be missed around the house. Now this all started because of an improperly working dishwasher. It just wasn't getting the dishes clean. We all know appliances don't last as long as they used to, but this one didn't seem like it was quite ready to head to the appliance graveyard. So we took to the internet and did some searching. After finding some useful YouTube videos, we discovered that indeed there is a removable filter at the bottom of your dishwasher. And if you are one that's a bit squeamish, you may want to find someone else to do this task for you, especially if it's been a long time or the first time that you've ever cleaned it. Because, ew, yuck. This is disgusting. This task really isn't overly difficult to do, but it does require some effort. Dishwasher filters are typically located at the bottom of the dishwasher beneath the lower spray arm. To access it, you generally need to remove the bottom rack. Most dishwashers feature a 2-part filter system, a coarse filter, which catches the larger food particles, and then a finer mesh filter, which catches the smaller debris. Cleaning and maintenance involves unscrewing or unlocking the filter assembly and cleaning it under running water to remove any trapped food particles or small debris. As you can imagine, this is the gross part. But having a clean filter helps maintain the dishwasher's performance, which is why the dishwasher in question wasn't getting the dishes clean anymore. A clean filter can also prevent clogs or damage to the pump mechanism. Did you know that it's actually recommended to clean those filters every month? So check your user's manual or Google your make and model of your dishwasher to figure out how to get to your filter and clean that thing. And then let us know how disgusted you were in the comments below. Number 2, cleaning the coils of your refrigerator. This next one is another one that typically gets missed or at least put off because it's kind of a pain. Cleaning the coils of your refrigerator. These coils are typically located in the back of your refrigerator or sometimes underneath it behind what's known as a kick plate. These coils are responsible for dissipating the heat that your refrigerator creates. Keeping the coils clean is essential for maintaining the appliance's longevity and performance. Dust and debris naturally builds up and accumulates on the surface of these coils over time, causing the refrigerator to have to work harder and use more energy. Before cleaning the coils, first remember to unplug your fridge for safety. Use a vacuum with a brush attachment to gently remove the dust and dirt, or you can purchase specific coil cleaning brushes. The biggest hindrance to this task is that it often involves moving the refrigerator, which can be heavy. So it can really be a 2-person job just to get to the coils, which is probably why most people don't clean them as often as recommended or ever. For the record, it is recommended that you clean your refrigerator coils every 6 months, or even more frequently if you have pets because of all the animal hair. If you want to ensure optimal performance and efficiency, then regular cleaning is necessary. It can help prevent breakdowns and also extend the life of your refrigerator. Number 3, disinfecting your kitchen sink. Regularly cleaning your kitchen sink is another task that people often skip over. Regularly cleaning your kitchen sink is pretty important because it's a high traffic area that harbors all kinds of bacteria, not to mention food particles and grease, which can lead to unpleasant odors and an overall health hazard. Sinks are a breeding ground for harmful bacteria like E. coli, Salmonella, Staphylococcus, which can contaminate dishes, utensils, and food, potentially causing foodborne illnesses. The buildup of food and grease can also create a biofilm, or a slimy layer where bacteria lives and thrives, contributing to foul smells in an unsanitary kitchen environment. Despite these risks, sink cleaning is regularly overlooked in the normal cleaning routine. A lot of people skip over it because how dirty can it really be? The sink is constantly exposed to soap and water, leading to the misconception that it's self-cleaning. But we found some suggestions saying that you'd be better off licking a toilet seat than most household sinks, because most people feel the need to regularly clean the toilet bowl. You can leave a comment on that would you rather question below. People also often prioritize cleaning other visible surfaces in the kitchen, like countertops and stovetops, while neglecting the sink. However, dedicating the time to thoroughly clean and disinfect the sink at least once a week can significantly reduce the risk of bacterial growth and help you maintain a hygienic, odor-free cooking environment. Ignoring this task can lead to a gross, unsanitary situation that compromises the overall cleanliness of your kitchen. Number 4. Flushing the hot water heater. Ever hear the expression, out of sight, out of mind? Well, that's pretty much what happens with this next one on the list. Most people's water heaters are tucked away in the basement or a closet, someplace not often seen or thought about. And a lot of people don't think about their water heaters at all until there's a problem. But you use your hot water to cook, clean, and bathe. And if you don't take care of your hot water heater, you can find yourself in a hot mess. Homeowners are often unaware that periodic flushing is essential for the overall longevity, efficiency, and quality of your hot water. Over time, minerals and sediment in the water supply accumulate at the bottom of the tank, forming a thick, gritty layer. This buildup can reduce the water heater's efficiency, making it work harder to heat the water, and increasing your utility and energy bills. And if there's anything we don't want nowadays, it's more expensive bills. Having excess sediment can also cause the tank to overheat, leading to premature wear and potential failure. It can also clog the drain valve and reduce the tank's capacity for hot water, resulting in lukewarm or inconsistent water temperatures. And nobody wants that. Flushing the hot water tank at least once a year helps remove these deposits, ensuring that the heater operates efficiently and provides clean, hot water free of sediment. But like we said, out of sight, out of mind. And this task, despite its importance, is often overlooked. But taking the time to perform this simple task can prevent you from costly repairs, extend the life of your water heater, and ensure a steady supply of hot water to your home. Number 5, cleaning the vent and vent pipe of your dryer. Did you know that your clothes dryer actually has 3 sections that need delinting? Most of us know about the lint trap, which is either located inside the door, on the top, or sometimes in the drum of your dryer. This is what you should check and clean before each load of laundry. But there's also the lint trap housing and the vent pipe that require periodic attention. This is important not only for efficiency, but also safety, as excessive lint accumulation can be a serious fire hazard. The area housing the lint trap should be cleaned periodically to remove any lint that might have bypassed the lint trap. But even with regular cleaning of both of these areas, lint can still get through and accumulate in the vent pipe, creating a highly flammable situation. This buildup significantly increases the risk of dryer fires, which cause thousands of house fires every year. Clogged vent pipes also cause the dryer to work harder, reducing its efficiency and lifespan, while also increasing energy consumption and increasing those utility bills. Ugh. This restricted airflow can also lead to longer drying times and overheating, which not only wastes energy, but can also damage your clothes. Despite these dangers, the vent pipe is often neglected because, like others on this list, it's out of sight and out of mind. It's hidden from view, and homeowners may not even realize the extent of the lint accumulation. Thorough cleaning of the dryer vent pipe at least once a year using a vent brush or professional cleaning service is extremely important. It's essential to prevent fire hazards, ensure optimal dryer performance, and maintaining a clean and safe operation. Ignoring this task can lead to serious consequences, like fires or costly repairs. So how many of these maintenance tasks do you do regularly? We'll admit to not being on top of all of these projects. It's probably best to set a schedule and stick to it. For example, every May you clean the dryer vent, or every July you flush the water tank. This might help you keep up with those often forgotten about maintenance tasks. Seriously, gross. But all jokes aside, these maintenance jobs are very important and can easily be pushed aside or say, I'll do it later. But rolling up your sleeves and just getting the job done can help save you money, keep you healthy, and even safe. So making them a priority is probably a good idea. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe. Let us know if you found this one helpful in the comments below, and how gross your house was. We'll see you next time. I gotta go clean. Sinks are a breeding ground for bacteria like E. coli, Salmonella, Staphylococcus, and Staphylococcus.